Okay, hi everyone. So in this video, what we're going to be looking at is just making the last two parts for this clock, which are the dials and the switch, and then the front face where the digits go. So you don't need to open this up. I just have it opened up just to show. I'm just going to a new part, file, new part, okay. We're going to go to front plane. We're going to click sketch. These are very easy. Go to circle. I'm going to draw a circle there. On the smart dimension, that circle is a total of 30. And then go to features, extrude boss base, and we're going to extrude that a total height of 2. So I need to make sure that says 2. That's that done. Then right click, sketch, space bar, normal 2. Just going to go again to circle, and just up here at the top, I'm going to draw a small circle. On the smart dimension, that circle is a total of 0.5, like that. I'm going to go features, extruded cut, change it from blind to true all, click the green tick. I then go, click underneath that, I go to circular pattern. The area I want to follow is the big circle, so I click this one. What I want to pattern, I just click this here, click the little arrow, go to cut. And when you zoom back, you should see it starting to happen. And the amount that I want to happen will be 50. So change from 3 to 50. And then I click the green tick. That gives the impression of the dial on the outside. File, save as, and we're going to call that Sony dial 30 millimeters. Click save. Then I'm going to go to file, new part, okay. Again, the front plane, we'll go to sketch. And now this time we're going to draw a circle that we're going to smart dimension as being 20. Features, extrude boss base. We're going to extrude it again, that's 2 millimeters. Click the green tick, click it again. Right click anywhere on this face, go to sketch, hit the space bar, normal 2. Sketch, and again, a little small circle up here at the very top. Smart dimension, the dash is 0.5. Features, extruded cut, change it from blind, true all, click the green tick. Instead of linear pattern, click the drop down arrow, go to circular pattern. The top box, click it, then click here. And it's already updated from the last time. 50 is the correct amount. The thing I want to do is cut extrude. But if that was empty, let's say there was nothing there, I would click the little option here. I would go to cut extrude and make sure it's 50. Click the green tick. That makes up the 20 mm dial. So file, save as, and we're going to call that Sony clock 20 mm dial. And just make sure you're saving into the correct folder. Then we go file, new part, okay. And then we're going to make a little switch. So we'll go to front plane here. I'm going to draw a corner rectangle from the origin on out. We smart dimension that is a total width of 10. Total height of 2. Sorry, not 2, it should be 4, that's my mistake, change that 2 to 4. We go features, extrude boss base, going to extrude that a total distance of 5. Right click, sketch, space bar, normal 2. And again we go to sketch, and we go to line, and we just draw a line from here, down, across, up, over. Smart dimension that the distance from here to here is a total of 3. Smart dimension that from here to here is a total of 3. I then go features, extrude boss base, and I'm going to extrude that another 2. That's the switch. I go file, save as, and we call that Sony clock switch. Nice and simple. Click save. Then the last thing we need to do now is to make the digital face for the part. So in the next section of the video, I'm just going to be getting a measurement from a existing part, which you don't need to participate in. So there'll be no talking for the next part of the video. Okay, so we can start now again. I go to New, I go to Part, I click OK. I go to Front Plane, I click Sketch. I click the drop down arrow here, I click Center Rectangle, and we are going to draw a rectangle that is 70 by 20. Features, extrude boss base, and the total thickness we're going to extrude that there will be 1. Onto this then we're going to put the digital digits. So I'm just going to right click on this place, click Sketch, spacebar, normal 2. I go to Sketch, I click Line, I click Fur Construction. I'm just going to draw a line from this side to this side. Make sure it's a construction line. I'm going to smart dimension that line to the bottom of that rectangle is a total of 2. I then go to Text, and I'm going to click that line, and we're going to just type in 12.00. We're going to click Centerize. I'm going to untick Use Document Font. I'm going to go to Font, and we're going to use a height of 6. We can also make it italic, and we click OK. 6 is a bit small still, so we're back to Font. We might change from 6 to 12. There we go. Click the green tick. Now there's a small mistake there. It shouldn't be dot, it should be semicolon, so I'm just going to put in the 2 dots there. Now that's better. Click the green tick. Features, extrude boss base. And that's going to be very small. That's only going to be 0.001 of an extrusion. Click the green tick once, click it again. And that is the clock time. So File, Save As, Sony clock, time face. And that's the final part. So in the next video, we'll be doing the assembly of the Sony clock. So make sure you have all the parts made before you watch the assembly video, which is going to be put up fairly soon. Okay, thanks very much.